Dundalk Middle School, this is Alexia.
And Riley.
Bring your morning announcements
on WDMS News.
Today is Thursday, June 9th, 2016, A-Day, Today in History.
Here's a look at this day in history. June 9th.
1870, prolific British novelist Charles Dickens died of a stroke. He was 58. On this day in 1978, the Boston Celtics got the Bird. The legendary Larry Bird, that is. He was the sixth pick of the NBA draft. In 2004, Clear Channel agreed to pay the Federal Communications Commission a record $1.75 million to resolve indecency complaints against radio host Howard Stern and others. And on this date in 1973, Secretariat became the first horse in 25 years to win the coveted Triple Crown. After breaking records at the Kentucky Derby and the Preakness Stakes, he left his competitors in the dust at Belmont. Secretariat crossed the finish line ahead of the field by 31 lengths, a record. And that's this.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance and the DMS Pledge.
Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I am safe, I am respectful, and I am responsible at Dundalk Middle School and in my community.
Please be seated.
Today's math problem is, in the Orioles' 3-1 win, Adam Jones is getting a hit 23.6% of the time this year. If he's had 47 hits, how many at-bat has he had? Be sure to let your math teacher know if you can solve it.
And here's Rachel with today's weather.
It was 51 degrees this morning. It will be partly cloudy and breezy today with a high this afternoon of 75 degrees. Here's the weather for the remainder of the week. Now for the sports report. The Orioles completed their clean sweep of the Kansas City Royals last night with a score of 4-1. They fly to Toronto now for the series against the Toronto Blue Jays. Now back to you, Riley and Alexia.
Thank you, Rachel. Word of the day.
The topic for this week's Words of the Day is rest and relaxation. Today our word is rejuvenate. Use your summertime to rejuvenate your bodies and minds. Then you'll be well prepared for next year. Can you determine what rejuvenate means? Once again, today's word of the day is rejuvenate.
Here's a message from our recycling crew.
Hi everybody, this is Destiny to tell you that today is Recycling Day. The recycling crew will be around after the 7th grade lunch to collect your recycling cans. So teachers, please place your cans in the hallway. Students, don't forget to recycle your cans, bottles, and papers. Thank you and have a great day.
Recycling crew statement.
Please return all library books to the library as soon as possible.
Please get your tennis uniforms back to Mr. Kirby by this Friday, June 10th.
Today is the final day for our after-school lacrosse. Please meet Miss Nugent in the gym after school for some lacrosse games and celebration for this season.
Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. This is Riley with a few words of wisdom. Thomas Paine once said, "We have it in our power to begin the world all over again." Poet Maya Angelou said it another way. Each new hour holds new chances for new beginnings. In other words, we always have it in our power to begin again, to create a new beginning. Whether we turn over a new leaf at school, make a fresh start with a friend or relative, or decide to take a new approach on our physical fitness, each hour of the day we can make new choices and begin again. Today, ask yourself this: what in my life needs a fresh start? Then remember, there's always new chances for new beginnings. With something to think about, this is Riley. Make it a great day or not. The choice is yours. So here's Mr. Barish.
Morning, Team DMS. As we finish up the final couple weeks of school, I just want to remind students that the focus is still on learning in a positive and safe environment. I want to thank again and congratulate all 18 of our students yesterday who attended our straight A's luncheon at Chili's. Again, those students earned straight A's in all of their classes for 3 quarters. So congratulations to those students and the rest of the students. I know I'm encouraging all of you to earn straight A's. We want to at least double that number to 36 for next year. Again, it's a very challenging goal, but again, though it's an ambitious goal, we will be able to meet our goal if you put forth your greatest efforts. In fact, working hard this year, students, we hit our goals in our school progress plan, and as a result, and based on your feedback and voting, on Wednesday of next week, I will be spending the day on the roof. So hopefully the weather will look good for Wednesday. I will be up there on the roof. You'll get a chance to see me. And it'll be a great opportunity to recognize your student accomplishments and success. Remember, students, next Thursday will be our grade 8 farewell. We're very excited to have a grade 8 farewell assembly and program next Thursday. And also a reminder to all students that next Thursday and Friday are half days of school. Still we have school, and next Wednesday is our last full day of school, and you'll be getting more information from your homeroom teachers about locker clean out. That will be happening next week. So let's finish the year, students, this week and next week on a positive note. Please know, students, any child, any individual who does not make a great decision at this point on will not only risk losing the end of the year activities, might end their school year early. And again, I don't want to see that to happen to anyone, but I do want to make sure the focus is still all of our students are learning in a positive and safe environment. That is my commitment to you. As long as you students bring your A game to school. That's a positive attitude, applying yourself, and also demonstrating excellent attendance. And as part of Team DMS, we'll do whatever it takes to educate and inspire you to be a globally competitive graduate. What's going to separate you from everybody else is what you do today. That's going to impact who you are and what you do tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.
This is Alexia.
And Riley,
Have a thoroughly fun Thursday.